In this video, we will demonstrate how to apply a manicure using our Clionadh Cosmetics magnetic nail lacquers. To achieve the magnetic effect, we will be using the Clionadh Cosmetics nail lacquer magnet wand. This wand is polarized to create a multitude of magnetic effects. Featured here are the standard stripe and X designs. As the first step in the manicure process, we recommend applying a base coat of your choice to each nail and to let dry. Next, shake your Clionadh Cosmetics nail lacquer to evenly distribute the magnetic pigments. Apply the lacquer to all your nails to reach near full opacity. We recommend 1 to 2 coats depending on your nail length and application. Allow for dry time between coats. The next step is magnetization. In this step, you will be working one nail at a time. Apply a generous coat of lacquer and then immediately hold the magnet wand a couple millimeters over the nail for 45 seconds to a minute. As the nail lacquer dries, the design will set. When the magnet is removed without enough dry time, the magnetic pigments disperse away from the design. This is why it's important to hold the wand in place for a substantial period of time. Shown here are some of the various designs you can create with the Clionadh Cosmetics nail lacquer wand. Notice how using the magnet reveals the non-magnetic component of the nail lacquer, giving a multi-dimensional finish. Our final step will be to apply a top coat. When the top coat is applied, it will re-liquefy the magnetic component. You will want to continue working one nail at a time using a quick dry top coat. Apply your top coat and magnetize the nail for at least another 45 seconds to seal in your design. Be sure to hold the wand in the same orientation as your first magnetization step. These tips and tricks will help you with any magnetic lacquer manicure. The creative possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more magnetic lacquers, check out our website, CleonadhCosmetics.com. Keep watching to see how cool the magnetic effect looks in different types of lighting.